What's the next election?
The SLFP faction, led by Nimal Siripala de Silva, which yesterday held discussions on the formation of a new alliance with the group led by parliamentarian Nimal Lanka, visited the Colombo District Court today to obtain an order to establish their titles. Meanwhile, the SLFP faction, led by Maithripala Sirisena, recently announced that Minister of Justice Dr. Wijeyadasa Rajapaksa has been appointed as the new chairman of the party, with Kirti Udavatta as the acting general secretary. A few days ago, the Kaduwela District Court issued an injunction to prevent any disruption to SLFP chairman Dr. Wijeyadasa Rajapaksa, acting general secretary, and the Politburo in their respective roles. Meanwhile, the petition filed by Duminda Disanayaka requesting an injunction order to allow the faction led by Nimal Siripala de Silva to carry out party-related activities with no obstructions was taken up again by the Colombo District Court today. Colombo District Judge Sadun Vitanage, who had taken up matters related to the case 3 times before, stated that the final decision regarding the injunction order will be announced tomorrow. The judge also decided to take up the preliminary objection filed by President's Counsel Dr. Romesh de Silva, who appeared on behalf of Dr. Wijeyadasa Rajapaksa, although he had rejected it this morning. Appearing on behalf of the complainant, President's Counsel Chandaka Jayasundara said that anyone could be appointed as chairman of the Sri Lanka Freedom Party, and that could even be the leader of the United National Party Ranil Wickremesinghe or leader of the Sri Lanka Podujana Peramuna Mahinda Rajapaksa. The President's Counsel argued that according to the party constitution, no one who is not a member of the party or who is a member of another party has the legal power to be appointed to a position of the SLFP and to hold that position. He added that therefore, the appointment of Dr. Wijeyadasa Rajapaksa, who is a member of the SLPP, as the chairman of the SLFP, is illegal. However, the preliminary objection that had been filed on behalf of Dr. Wijeyadasa Rajapaksa says that he had obtained membership of the SLFP on the 2nd of April. Explaining his stance against this objection, President's Counsel Chandaka Jayasundara said that Rajapaksa had obtained SLFP membership just a few days prior to the date he took up chairmanship of the party. He added that one is not officially considered a member of the SLFP until 6 months after obtaining membership. President's Counsel Chandaka Jayasundara went on to argue that as his client had not yet received the injunction order or the notices issued by the Kaduwela District Court, the injunction order is not valid. He said that the injunction order issued by the Kaduwela District Court does not limit the power of the Colombo District Court. The judge, who considered all these matters, stated that his final decision will be announced tomorrow. Meanwhile, Minister of Justice Dr. Wijeyadasa Rajapaksa joined President Ranil Wickremesinghe at the opening of the new court complex in Theldeniya this morning. There, he expressed his opinion on steps taken by the president to restore normalcy in the country.
During the past few years, our country experienced economic bankruptcy. Politically, our country was experiencing anarchy. There was much uncertainty surrounding the situation in the country. Matters were so grave that no one was willing to take over the country. Amidst economic turmoil and widespread hardship, President Ranil Wickremesinghe courageously embraced the task of rebuilding the country over the past 2 years. We as ministers sacrificed so much for the country to pull the country out of the abyss. Efforts have been made towards both economic development and the establishment of the rule of law.
නීති ආධිපත්‍ය ඇති කිරීම කියන මේ හැම කාරණයක් සම්බන්ධයෙන්ම අපේ වගකීම